Hi guys, this is Casey from Casey's Heart. I just wanted to get on and do a flip through of my newest kit. It's an Easter kit that is a kit made of map pages and also Easter elements. There are a couple of book cover designs. There's this one, and there's a bigger ones, and there's other colors, like there's one with a pink spine, and then there's another one. But I just wanted to get on and do a flip through of my prototype here, so you can kind of see what it's about. And if you're interested, I will have a link in the description that goes straight to the digital files, so you would purchase it and download and print it yourself, as many pages or whatever pages you like. And it comes with different journaling pages, like with the lines, and it comes with different pages that you can use for cutting up or using as liners for inside the journals. It has at least 4 of those, and yeah, and you can just pick and choose what you want. In this particular book, I just picked one of the journal pages, but like I said, there are a few to select from. But I just thought I would get on and do this flip through with you guys. I really like maps, so this kind of stemmed from my love of maps. And of course it has florals because, you know, it's spring, and we're getting to spring anyway. And I really like, you know, birds too. Let's not forget birds. Sorry. But yep, it's mostly neutrals, but then it will have some really fun pops of color that kind of go along with spring and Easter. So yep, like I said, you can print out only the ones that you like. Print all of them. You can print duplicates, sorry, if I could talk, of ones that you like. Little bunny and some florals. But yep, this is all in the theme of Easter, spring, and maps. And I'm not sure why I wanted to put them together, but in my mind, I just love the way it does go together. And then here's this. And I think when I put this together, I didn't even use all of the pages that are available in the kit. You don't even have to use the journaling pages on the back. You can use just all of the design pages if you want to. That's kind of like the fun bit about getting a digital kit online. You can then customize it to exactly what you want, which makes it really fun. I really like putting digital kits together. And that's the end of that. And there we go. So yep, that was that one. And like I said, there's other cover options. This was just one, I just chose one and I put it together. But and the cut files are there. There's ones that are full size, and then there's ones that actually already have the cut files of where you would cut and miter and everything for the covers. Anyway, if you're interested, the link will be down below. All right, have a good day. Bye.